Hey y'all, welcome back to Trimmer Creek Acres. So this weather here in Georgia, oh my goodness. Just last week it was 80 degrees and I think tonight it's dropping down to about 30. Just doesn't know what it wants to do, and that's how we welcome spring here in Georgia. So yeah, we got a lot of work ahead of us here on the farm. We got to get our tractor out. Hopefully it cooperates with us. Our battery on there has been acting a little weird. I got it charged up. It's been a couple days charging it. So hopefully we're good to go. It says, the meter says we're good. So we'll get it out there. We got to get our fields tilled up, put our corn in the ground. Of course, we're doing all of our popcorn in the back. We're doing our sweet corn up front. And after that, we're gonna get our spreader on the tractor and get some lime and some fertilizer out there on the fields. So come along, let's get it done. All right, y'all, so here's what we're working with. Got my 1970s model Massey Ferguson 135. We got a big old tiller on the back of it. I believe it's a 5-foot tiller. It could be a 4.5, but I believe it's a 5. Really pushing the size of that tractor, but that tractor does really well pulling it through there. Basically what we're looking at is just coming through here. You can see the difference right there where we hadn't touched and what we just did. So we got the rest of this field to do. Let's get at it. All right, y'all, so we completed one pass. Now I dropped the tiller down a little bit lower. I'm gonna do a second pass. I'll drop it down lower again, do a third pass. This year, I'm already excited. It's tilled up so much better. This is our second year of tilling back here. First year was really hard and compressed, and that tiller was bouncing all over the place. This year, it just dug straight in, did great. We had the pigs out here for 2 months, softening up that soil. Basically acting as like a subsoiler, rooting it up, making it soft for it. Every year it's just getting better and better. We're getting less roots in here. So let's keep at it. All right, y'all, we're on to the next project. We got the lime in the back of the tractor there on the spreader. About to dump it in this field right here. We got about 2 tons, about 1.5 tons that we're gonna dump in this field, and then the small field right over there, one with the chimney. And then the rest of it, about 1/2 ton, is gonna go back there in the field that we tilled up this morning. So we got the field tilled up and it is ready for our popcorn to go in it. Of course, this is our popcorn field. Our sweet corn field is going to be up top. We got our fields filled up with our lime and our fertilizer. We got lime dropped in here and fertilizer dropped in here. So join us next week when we drop our seed down. Till next time, God bless.